Often, the things we don't see turn out to be the most important. The same is true around our homes. When buying a new cooling or heating system, homeowners often only consider the unit's brand, its energy efficiency rating, and the location and quantity of the air vents. Although important, these components are only 2% of the total air delivery system, the rest being flexible duct. The unit is the heart of the system. Flexible ducts are the arteries and veins that pump the air throughout your home from the unit. Just as the human body suffers from extremes of temperature, the areas where flexible duct is installed also reach extreme temperatures and, if poorly insulated, greatly reduces the duct's performance and the energy efficiency of the entire system. On a summer's day, with an outside temperature of 40 degrees, the in-roof air temperature ranges between 55 and 70 degrees. This means chilled air moves through ducting in an extremely hot area. Poorly insulated duct allows chilled air to be partially lost through the duct. This leads to poor performance and higher operating costs. During winter, when the system provides hot air, outside ambient temperatures can range from 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Heated air moving through poorly insulated duct is partially lost through the duct, meaning higher operating costs. So, what is the answer? The best way to stop unwanted temperature transfer is to sufficiently insulate between two temperatures. Just as an esky keeps drinks cool in summer and a doona keeps us warm in winter, the answer is to create an effective insulation barrier between the two temperature extremes. With Australia's wide temperature ranges in mind, Westerflex developed thermally efficient Green Duct. Green Duct has a metal spine clamped over wire on its inner duct core named Unilock. This spine provides strength to prevent the ducting losing its shape, although allowing it to bend when needed while providing good airflow. Green Duct provides 3 levels of insulation thickness to suit all of Australia's extreme weather conditions. Green Duct Ultimate is up to 175% more thermal efficient than Westerflex standard grade duct. This efficiency results in reduced energy usage, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, reduced ongoing running costs, achieving home comfort levels faster, reduced heating, cooling, operating times, and increasing the life of your unit. Green Duct is made in Australia by Westerflex, a 100% family-owned and operated company, and comes with a 10-year warranty. To find out more about which Green Duct products are suitable for your home, visit our website at www.westerflex.com.au. Our website provides independent test results confirming Green Duct's insulation's thermal properties. Compare these results to the other duct suppliers. Do the right thing by yourself and the environment and ask your installation contractor to use Green Duct on your home. Often, it's the things you can't see that are the most important.